This is the third in a series of reviews, review tutorial of the Second Life Viewer 2 beta. This particular tutorial is World. Uh, Here you'll find your mini map. Just click and it will open. It will open to your left. World map, that will open up to your right. Snapshot is the same as it always has been, and that will open up to your left to take snapshots. We'll landmark this place. We'll give you a landmark, just like create landmark here used to. Why they renamed it, I don't know. Um, Place profile, we'll get into that in a couple of minutes. If you want to buy that land, that will just click up here. Uh, My land will show you all of the options under. My land is like about land. Show, we'll get to that in a minute. Teleport home hasn't changed. Set home to here hasn't changed. Sun this is something new. It's been actually not new, but it's been renamed. This used to be environmental settings. Now let's go on to the next one. Alright, let's open this up so you can see what you're looking at. Okay, place profile. Uh, Here you'll find about land and region estate options. Uh, a lot of the stuff has been renamed and moved around, which is the reason for these review tutorials of mine. Let's go on to the next one. Uh, these are very small. Oh, okay. When you click on show, it will give you your move controls, which is a small box. I think that used to be in tools, which is now in world. Move controls will be on the bottom of your toolbar. There is a view move control box um, under view controls. These two here are in a box called view controls on the bottom of your bottom toolbar. You'll find band lines and beacons and property lines and landowners on this particular toolbar. Okay. As I said before, environmental controls have now been renamed Sun. Why? I don't know. Um, but that's now if you want to change the lighting on your screen in Second Life, this is where you'll do it. Just like before, it's the same thing, just been renamed. I guess they wanted to really, really drastically change everything and confuse the fucking hell out of everybody. As I said before, there's going to be a lot of screaming and tearing of hair and gnashing of teeth, which is why I'm doing this tutorial. Okay, so we're back here. This is the third in the series, and there will be 20 some odd videos all together. I'll be putting them in a playlist all by itself on YouTube, so it can be found in one place. And I hope that these tutorials will be helpful to you. I think Second Life Viewer 2 Beta is an excellent viewer. It is much more stable. It is much faster. We'll give you an example later in another video. And there are some really, really neat additions to Second Life toolbars, which are really handy. The AV radar nearby people comes into mind. The favorites toolbar, landmark tool, favorites landmark toolbar also comes into mind. There are a number of other things that you'll discover about Second Life Viewer 2 Beta that you'll absolutely love. But if you don't know where they are and you don't know how to use them, it can get really frustrating. This viewer is about the most geeky viewer that I've seen out there. I mean, Emerald, Snow Globe, uh, they don't begin to compare with this Second Life Viewer 2 beta in terms of geekiness, in terms of toys, and added tools, things that some of us have been asking for quite some time. I myself am new to this, but always thought that the Second Life Viewer was you could do just a whole lot more, and they certainly have done that. Hopefully, this is going to help everybody, and that's why I'm doing it. So this is number 3. Next up will be build. I'm going to take them in the order in which they come. So if you get out of order on your videos and you want to go back, that's how you do it, okay? So we'll have me, and then me, communicate, world, build, help, and advanced. And advanced is not there. It has to be manually added. That is the Control Alt D, and that will put advanced on your toolbar. And I'd recommend that you do so. There are a lot of features here that are worthwhile having on that toolbar.